Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's find the app which is pre-installed on your device, so for sure you've got one. It is called PhoneManager, so let's tap on it and enter. Now we have to tap on viruses and risks and tap on scan, and your device will basically scan itself in order to find any kind of malware or viruses, and after that it will show you the results. In my case, everything is alright, my device is secured, but if your device will find any kind of malware, any kind of viruses, then it will show you the relevant information, and also it will guide you through these steps, thanks to which you can get rid of the risk. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.